Yes, thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. So in this video, I want to teach you how you can get traffic from this source. It's organic traffic. You do have to be consistent when it comes to free traffic. It does take time. So if you want to get fast traffic, then at the end of this video, I want to be showing a few videos that could be on my left or my right, that where you could get some investment traffic, which is advertisement. But do you believe in yourself? So if you probably stopped by my channel, you're probably in the beginning process, or you're just looking for more traffic, or you're just wondering who this guy is. You can see who I am in the description below. But let's get moving on this video here. So traffic source I want to show you is Plurk. I'm going to open this up for you so you can get the full view. Plurk.com, and it's pretty cool because they also have an app that you could just download to your phone and share whatever you want to share on here. So let me take you to the traffic and see. Show you how much they get. Plurk.com, right up here. They get monthly visits, 10.10 million monthly visits, and these are coming from Taiwan, province of China, United States is big, Hong Kong, India, Australia. So this source right here, you could share your blog post. You could share. I mean, it gives you right here. It gives you quite a few things, a few options where you could put your content. Excuse me, I got mine stuck there for a little bit. Sales, loves, likes, shares. I go under shares because I'm sharing my content. I'm sharing my YouTube video content on this platform, but you can share maybe blog posts. Go over here and hit shares, and this is what I use it for. Needs has, so I want to use shares, and then for this video that I'm going to be posting, I already copied it. Just got to paste it. But what you do, you fill out the profile. You could put your see, it didn't take all my information, but if I were to put my, like my blog right here, or just where people could find me, you could do that, and more people will find you and stuff. You build up a karma. A lot of people are more interested in the content, so sometimes they don't go to your profile views. But I like to put everything in there that I want them to get to know me a little bit. I'm not just in here just to be in here. I like to, I'm a social guy, so it's just up to you. But you go to shares, and then for this video right here, I want to paste in my 30 personal development books video. And I'm not sure how many hashtags you could use, but for this video I want to use hashtags. I want to use books, hashtag personal development, personal development. I usually use three, but you could use, I don't know, give it a shot. Maybe you could use more than three. Maybe you could probably use 7 or something like that, because the more hashtags you got, the more people that follow those hashtags, just like any other platform, they're going to run into your content, and you might be able to get some more traffic going to your blog post, your website, your maybe even your e-com store, or whatever you're doing. More potential to get traffic from here. So I'm going to put goals. I'm going to go with a few other ones. Entrepreneurship. We'll do one more. Marketing. So I want to put these here, and you just hit Plurk. Is what it does. It puts your content right up here on top. This is my latest one. 30 personal development books you must read, to change your mindset. I just posted this one about a week ago. You have to be consistent, though, because if you're not consistent, this is like any other platform. They're going to kind of notice that you're not really sharing too much, and they won't show your stuff to so many people. So you just gotta be consistent on what you do. I could come in, I could go to my YouTube channel here and post more of my other videos. This is one of my first videos I put up. So if I want to get my older stuff noticed out here, I got this traffic source right here that nobody really knows about this one. So if you want to come check it out, that's fine. This one's like a local one, but anybody could use it, and it's actually pretty cool. So I could go in here and post any one of these links I want, but I'm not going to, take up too much of your time. I don't want to take up so much time of you guys out there, you men and women out there who are got other things to do. I just wanted to take a moment to show you about Plurk. That's Plurk.com. It's pretty simple. Copy, paste. Like I said, maybe when you're filling out your stuff, you could put what you do down here. You could probably put maybe not your link directly, but you could most likely put your website. I'm not really fully sure on how to do that. If you want to put the link or the .com, or you want to spell DOT and then put com, because there are some platforms out there that don't like that. But go ahead and take a shot if you want. Run a test on it, a test account, or whatever you got to do. So thank you for sticking by this video, and check out the book in the description below. And if you like this video, if you got any value out of it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You get some notifications from some more of my content I'm going to be putting up here. And mostly all the stuff I put up here is going to be like free organic traffic. There's going to be some investment traffic as well. It is a lot faster, but it's up to you. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. See you. Bye.